Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Everyone, in today's video, we will be making some aloo choka or potato choka, however you say it. And here are the ingredients you will need for that recipe. I'm using some butter, I have some scallions, red chili, and this is the red chili I'm using. It's just the small ones. And I have some onion, my potato, I have some accent, chicken bouillon, adobo, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I also have some Geera. And my Geera is from the Indo-West Indian brand. So the next step is to put our potato to boil. So I'll head over to the stove and do that. So now that your water come up to a boil, you're gonna add in your potatoes. And to that I will add in some adobo. And we're just gonna mix this a little. And we're gonna allow this to boil until the potato is nice and soft where you can mash into it. Remember not to overboil your potato where it starts falling apart in the water. Otherwise you will have like a sappy choka. Now as soon as like 15 minutes pass and it's boiling, you can take a fork and just stick it in the middle, and if it opens in two, well then you know you're ready to take it out. I'll show you guys though when I'm ready to take mine out. So guys, it's about 15 minutes or so since I put my potato to boil, and I just want to show you when I'm gonna take it out, how you'll know when it's the right time to take it out. Once you put your fork in the middle and it falls apart like that, you know it's good. Now remember, for another guide, you see my potato is still in this full shape that I put it in. It didn't fall apart, like the edges didn't fall apart. Now you don't want the edges to fall apart like I say, because it's gonna be too soft. So I'm gonna take this out now. I'm gonna turn my stove off and we'll head over to the counter. So the next step is mashing our potato. You want to do this when your potato is still nice and hot. So I'm just gonna add in my onions, my pepper. I'm also going to add in my butter, my garlic powder, and my onion powder. Now I will add in my chicken bouillon, and I'm gonna add in my accent. Now I'm gonna keep the adobo on the side for a little bit later on, because I boil my potato with adobo. I want to make sure that when I add it into the bowl and I mash it, that it needs more salt before I add this. Now I'm going to add in my potato on top of the veggies, and I'll mash it on top, because the heat from the potato will help your scallions and your pepper and your onion to infuse a little bit of that flavor into the potato, and also make it a little bit soft. So with your masher, you're gonna start mashing and keeping the scallions and everything on the bottom in the middle. And you wanna, when you hear the onions like crouching or crunching, you're gonna squeeze it to get some of that juice out of it. Now I have some lumps in here, so I'm going to use a fork to help me, get that out. And a little bit at a time, I will just mash to make sure that it's nice and smooth. So guys, I taste mine and I know that it needs some more salt. I'm going to add in the rest of the adobo I have here. And I'm also going to add in my Geera now. I know a lot of people don't like Geera in their choka, but I'm not adding in a lot. Now I'm going to continue mashing this until the salt is well distributed within the choka. So guys, I went ahead and add in some more of the Geera, and I also add in some more of my adobo, as you saw earlier in the video. So I will leave you the correct measurements of all the ingredients in the description box down below. So this is all done here. I'm just gonna put this in my serving container and I will show you guys the end result. So guys, here's the end result of our aloo choka. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Chloe will not be trying this today because it's not one of her favorite. So see you in our next video, guys.